Are you looking for the best stud finder in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best stud finder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Tavool Stud Finder Sensor Wall Scanner. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY home carpenter, the Stud Finder Sensor 4-in-1 wall scanner is a must-have device. When working on walls, renovating, hanging up photo frames, TV sets, and the likes, this high-detection device will adequately show the exact location of studs and wires. It takes away the danger of hitting metal or wooden objects and even live wires. Using a 4-in-1 multiplication plus deep detection, it has 4 vital modes for wood, beam, joist, metals, and AC wires previously installed safely within the walls. It won't take donkey hours to locate these objects hidden behind walls, ceilings, or floors. The device quickly and efficiently locates studs placed up to 2.36 inches via the deep detection mode. There's a large LCD screen that's conveniently located at the top of the device for easy visibility, as well as a loud beeper that indicates when a stud has been located. The intensity of the sound determines how close you are to an object in the wall. This makes it a lot easier to find them. With a nice, ergonomically designed body, this wall scanning device is easy to grip and conveniently operate no matter the task. Up next in the 4th place is the VIVREAL Stud Finder Wall Scanner. Drilling into a wall without initially determining what lies behind them is certainly a risky venture. Stud finders adequately help locate metal or wooden studs that lie inches within the walls, so they can be avoided when working. The Stud Finder 4-in-1 electric multifunction wall detector stands out among regular devices with modern and efficient features. On the front of the device is a suitably positioned button for changing to the various scanning modes. These modes include a stud scan for wooden and metal studs, deep mode, metal scan, and AC scan that detects up to 3/4, 1/1/2, 2.36, and 2 inches deep respectively. Right on top of the button is a large and visible graphical LCD display that shows the battery level, signal strength, the detection mode, as well as the automatic calibration function. For deep and reliable detection during furnishing, this sleekly designed, easy-to-grip locating device is definitely a must-have. The LCD screen and a beeping signal aid easy location of studs and alert the handler on how close in proximity the object is. This keeps users visually and audibly aware of the exact location of a stud. The next step would be to mark the location of obstructions and avoid those areas during drilling. The 3rd product on our list is the Hanson's 0304's magnetic stud finder. Compact, cheap, and very easy to use, the Hanson's 0304 is an accurate magnetic stud finder you need in your arsenal. This tool fits easily in a pocket or tool belt and requires no batteries to function. It scans your walls at a depth of 1 inch for all magnetic metals, finding studs quickly and easily. Thanks to its compact dimension and accuracy, the unit is preferred by professionals. It also appeals to beginners who don't want to spend an arm and a leg on their first stud finder. Second on our list is the ProSensor Franklin Sensors 710 Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensors 710 by ProSensor is one of the best stud finders on the market. It addresses amateurs and professionals alike and incorporates the advanced multi-sense technology developed to sense the wall in multiple locations at the same time. For a fast and efficient stud finding, you can easily identify the position of the objects hidden in your walls thanks to the bright LED indicator. What's even best is that the Franklin sensor identifies the width of the hidden objects too, so that you know both their position and size. Finally, the top product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER BDL 190's BullsEye Interior Stud Finder. The BLACK+DECKER BDL190S can be defined as the ultimate stud finder. It incorporates a wealth of features worthy of the best stud finder title. Often used by the pros for test and measurement, the unit benefits the homeowner too, thanks to its intuitive operation and accurate results. The BDL190S is more than a stud finder. Its powerful stud sensor tells you exactly where your studs are hidden, while the auto-leveling laser level helps you achieve ultimate picture hanging accuracy. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.